Ever wished you could turn your ideas into videos in just a few clicks? Well, Canva's AI video generator makes that dream a reality. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create stunning videos effortlessly. First, log into Canva and head to the video section. Here, you'll find the Magic Media or Magic Design for video tools. These are powered by advanced AI from Google and Runway, which means you can generate high-quality video clips directly from text prompts or even by combining your existing images and clips. Start by typing a description of the video you want. Be clear and specific. This helps the AI understand your vision. Then, choose a style or theme that matches your content. Within moments, Canva transforms your text into a dynamic video sequence. You can preview it, tweak scenes, change music, or add animations. The interface is so intuitive that even beginners can create professional-looking videos in minutes. If you have your own media, you can upload images or clips, and the AI will seamlessly integrate them into your video. You can adjust transitions, text overlays, and even background music to match your brand or mood. Once you're satisfied, simply export your video and share it anywhere you like. Whether you're creating content for social media, presentations, or personal projects, this tool drastically reduces time and effort while giving you polished, engaging results. Give it a try and watch your ideas come to life in ways you never imagined. Canva's AI video tools truly make video creation faster, smarter, and more fun.